Writing Straight Lines, Quarter 1, Week 3, Language Literacy and Communication Skills for Kindergarten. We have the refined essential learning competencies for kindergarten, which is to trace and write different strokes.
Welcome to our learners channel, DepEd MPTV. This is intended for kindergarten learners like you on language, literacy, and communication skills. Quarter 1, Week 3. Hello, future writer! It's another day. How are you now? I hope you're doing fine. I am Teacher Ellen, and I will be very happy to guide you throughout this learning activity. Before we start, of course, we need to pray first. Bow down your head and close your eyes. Jesus, please show me how to spend this day, sharing your love in every way. Help me to be kind to everyone, to pray and love and have lots of love. Shine your light and giving your grace, sharing your joy with a smile on my face. Amen. Here is a star. If you behave well, I will give you one. What did I use to form a star? Lines and shapes. What is the color of the star? Yes, very good. It is yellow. What shapes can you see in the star? Wow! You can really see triangles. As you have said, lines form a star. Lines also form other shapes like square and rectangles and other things or objects. There are two kinds of lines. We have standing line and sleeping line. Okay, as we have said, we have two straight lines, the standing line and the sleeping line. For the standing line, how are we going to write it? We're going to write starting from the top, going down to the bottom. Let's try to do it. Start from the blue line, going down to red, and then down to blue. Once more. Blue, red, blue. Again. Blue, red, blue. Once more again. 1, 2, 3. There. That is how we are going to write the standing line. Start from the top, blue line, down to red, and then stop at the blue line. That is the standing line. Okay. Now we are going to write it on the air. Get your pencil and then raise it up. Start from the top, going down. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. There. So, that's the way how to write the standing line. Let's now have also
this sleeping line? It's just like you sleeping on the bed. So, we're going to write now the sleeping line. How do you write it? Start from your left, going to your right. Again, start from your left, going to your right. Once more, left to right. Okay, that is how the sleeping line is written. Let's try again to write it also on the air. Get your pencil and paper, then start. So, start writing it. One from your left, going to your right. Again, left to right. Okay, very good. That's it. So we have now the two kinds of straight lines. The standing line, as you can see here, and the sleeping line. Oh, you see, we have two kinds of lines, and we are going to use these to form shapes and other things. Okay, we will do that afterwards. Now we are going to do the activities on our activity sheet. Prepare your pencil. I will give you time to do it. For activity 1 and 2, you do it on Monday. For activity 2 and 3, you do it on Tuesday. Activity 4, Wednesday, and assessment, Thursday. For activity 1, it says here, join the broken lines. Activity 2, trace and copy the straight lines. Activity 3, join the broken lines to form straight lines. Activity 4, join the broken lines from top to bottom. And for the assessment, letter A, write big and small straight lines correctly. Letter B, join the broken lines from left to right. Okay. Since you're done with all the activities, I'll show you now the correct answers. Study your work and see which of your answers need to be done again. Okay, activity 1. It's like this. Activity 2. There. Activity 3. Okay, for activity 3, we have used the two kinds of lines in making the shapes or the objects, the figures. For figure 1, we have a square or a rectangle, I should say. One, there. This is for figure 1. Now look at figure 1. How many lines, straight lines, did we use? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we used 4 straight lines. 1, 2 standing lines, and then 2 sleeping lines. Okay, let's have the next figure. It is a box. Let's have this box. Okay, the box looks like this. How many straight lines did we use? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. we use 6 straight lines. Okay, how about this one? Is this a straight line? This one? No, it is not a straight line. That's why we did not count it off. So again, how many lines did we use? How many straight lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, that is for figure B. The next figure, let's have this one. 1, 2, 3. How many lines, or how many straight lines, I should say, did we use? 1, 2, 3. Okay, there. How many straight lines? Yes, we use 3 straight lines. 1 standing line and 2 sleeping lines. Okay. Next, let's have another one. The last figure. It is this one. How many lines did we make? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are they all straight lines? Yes, they're all straight lines. How many sleeping lines? 1, 2, 3. 3 sleeping lines and 1 standing line. That is for this figure. Okay, very good. Have you got the correct answer? Okay. Now let's continue.
For the assessment, your answer will be like this. Okay. As what we have learned, always remember that in writing straight lines, always start from the top going down. And then for sleeping line, start from your left going to your right. To the facilitators, kindly write your comments, suggestions on the parents' rating of the learner's performance. Specify the part where your child needs more development or practice.